Hello and welcome back to the Bootstrap Coding with Me students. This is the module 15th and we will be now learning in this module how do we create spinners in Bootstrap. The very first question that comes to our mind when we look at this word spinner is what exactly is a spinner? You know, to make our website sometimes attractive, to include lot of movement on the web pages, we have a spinner icon which tells the user that something is loading or something is in progress. So in order to show something in progress, let's say we will be using the concept of spinners. Imagine you had clicked on a button. It was a banking website and you had clicked on a button withdrawal, or let's say you wanted to add another pay into your account. By the time the pay is not added, you know, the spinner will tell you that the system is in progress, and it also comes up normally. Students, you would have seen it comes up with a message, do not refresh the page, you know, because we are in progress. So wherever you want to show concepts like this, you will be using the spinners. Now is the time when we start looking at how the spinners can be used. In order to create a spinner, students, remember there is an inbuilt class which we will be using. The class that we'll be using is class is equal to, within the double quotes, remember the syntax is within the double quotes spinner, and then over here you can use different types of spinners. So I'll show you the moment you start typing spinner hyphen, there are different options which you can use, and you can also give the text, what kind of text you want to use. Again, there are different variations of this text. All right, so let's do one thing. Let's actually understand how the spinners code can be implemented. So what I'm going to do is, before I actually show you the code that I have written, what I'm going to do in this heading where I've written spinners coding in Bootstrap, I will be showing you the syntax that we just discussed. We will be giving div class is equal to, and in this class, as I said, we will be giving the spinner type. So do you see this spinner border, right? So in this spinner border option which you have, you can now choose what kind of text you want: bottom, dark, decoration, indent, primary, shadow, success. So let's say if I want the success one, I'm going to close this bracket and that's it, close the div tag. So similarly, you can have so many different types of spinners which I'm going to now list in front of you, and very shortly, students, we will run the output to see what is the different spinners. So I'm not going to explain you the code which is from line number 5 to 9 because now I understand you are very well conversant, you are very sure as to how this code is written. So yes, definitely not needed to explain. This is all you remember is to tell the system that you're using Bootstrap and you have included Bootstrap links. Yes, so we need to focus on the spinner border. So this is the spinner border I'm using, and in this you can see I can use for primary, success, dark, info and warning. Now let us run this program. After saving it, let's execute this to see the desired outputs. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just save this code. Okay, and now very quickly let's locate our HTML file. Bootstrap practice.html just got edited to 13 PM. I'm going to refresh it and bingo, see that you've got this spinners loading. And why is a different color for each of the spinner? Based on the text, whether it is a primary, success, dark, info and warning. So I hope this was a very interesting module. Now you can use the spinners wherever you want on your websites when you're creating bootstraps. Stay tuned with me for the next module. Upcoming next is another very important concept in Bootstrap. Goodbye and take care.